Tulog pa din siya. Wakey, Mia. Good morning, people. Kami ay nag-ready na. Eating na lang donut. Si Mia nandyan. Para mapainom ko siya ng bulong niya. Maganda tong medicine na to for, for nasal decongestant. Kasi, naano talaga siya. Naging okay talaga siya. One day lang siya nag-inom ng medicine na yan. And then, parang hindi na siya masyado sinisipon agad. Kasi yung Panadol, parang ilang beses ko na pinapainom, hindi pa rin nag-okay. So, ayan, para talaga yan sa, sa sipon. Tapos, antihistamine din. Pambata. So, sabi ko, bibili ako ng madami siguro. Para iuwi sa Australia. Kain tayo. Dunkin Donut. My favorite, Bavarian Field. Yung kay Mia, choconut. Punta tayo ng Solana Beach Resort today. So, 3 hours yung travel natin. Kasi malapit siya sa Rojas daw. 3 hours ka dyan. Mabilis lang yan, guys. Malapit. It's okay, it's okay. You can still have none. Huh? Okay, it's gonna spill. Oh, it's okay. You can drink this and then you can eat that after so you don't taste the medicine. Drink water. Yeah, so when you drink this, you eat that so you don't taste medicine. Yeah, that's a good idea. Ready? Ay! Big mouth na! It's gonna spill! It's not yucky. Try all of it and then you eat that. Swallow this and then you eat that. You drink water first. Dali. It's not gonna be yucky. Ala, your hand. Oh my gosh. Don't touch na. Dali. Mommy, get the wipes. Oh, drink. Come on, hurry up. I can't get the water. Drink this and then mommy get water. Quick. Perfect. Then eat your donut and then you can't taste it. Eat the donut. Bye, Ella. Off to Solana Beach. Are you ready? Yeah? Mia's ready.
Are you ready to swim again?
I'm so excited to swim.
We should come to the beach too.
Yes, baby.
And also, Mommy along.
They're in the other car.
But are we going first?
So that's Tita there. That's Baby Shane's car. And then us. And then Daddy Lo behind us. Dancing si Mia. Nakar na kami guys kanina pa. Si Mia, oh. Wow. May pa-action talaga siya. That's the end. That's the end. That's the end. Wow. Nabili saya, oh. Baby shark,
Baby shark,
action kasi. Ay, Mia. Look at this view. Picture daw sila, guys. Ang ganda, oh, mountain. Si Mia nagising na. Natulog to siya, eh. Oh, nag-stop lang kami dito para mag-picture. Ay, umulan. Tingnan nyo naman ang ulan, guys. Ala, lakas-lakas. Hala. Hinay lang. Gamay dala sa laki. Tapos mahangin.
running so hard.
It is.
That can be fun.
I don't know, baby. Tapos ang beach, oh my gosh. Ang beach, ma-high tide, good na. Hindi masyado umuulan dito, guys. Dun sa kabila, bongga yung ulan. Hindi din masyado basa yung road dito. O, diba? O, diba? Hindi masyado basa. Ano lang siya, parang taliti. I mean, look at you. Wow. Lollipop is live. At yung lollipop niya, dami pang natira from SNR kahapon. Pangalawang lollipop pa lang niya to, oh. Very good naman siya. Stop kami dito, guys. Bili kami bibingka. Sila papa nasa likod, oh. Bili din sila bibingka. So,
I don't remember.
okay, put it away. Where's the tissue? May tissue ka na. Ito. Isang pack is 20, tapos 5, 100. Ay, hindi na nakating. 5, 100. Are you? Okay, ayaw niya na ng lollipop. Sige, ganyan lang siya. Dilap-dilap lang siya, tapos hindi niya man maubos. Ito yung orange.
Hey, I think that's soft drink.
That's no, it's juice.
No, it's soft drink.
Eat, drink it.
Orange soft drink juice.
Yan yung binili kong orange juice dun sa SNR.
It's orange juice. Subscribe people. Today we're going beach. Are we going? Today we're going beach.
Going to the beach. Hala, nag-vlog siya. Tara na nakaon akong camera. We're going to the beach.
There, and I can swim.
I'm gonna swim. You do this also, you see your face. Subscribe to my channel. Hello, dito na tayo sa Balasan. Balasan to, guys. Nag-stop lang kami sa flower shop
Yes, Mamiya, we're going.
ng wife ng cousin ko.
Mommy, Redon's cry!
Oh, kasi may pinaluto daw siyang shell.
Mom, give me a camera!
Okay, you wanna vlog? Alright, go vlog. Kanina pa siya nag-vlog. It's not gonna stand, Mia. It's gonna drop. Mommy, hold it for you then.
Hello. We're just going to be for the only 5 minutes and now over. And now
We could break.
subscribe our channel.
We're here! We're here, my
Mommy,
love.
wait, look.
Yes.
It's Papa gonna leave.
Papa God there? Oh, it's just a statue. Papa God? Oh,
I
okay.
saw it before.
You
There's
saw
a
it.
picture in there.
Okay.
Because I saw it already and you were looking at the camera still. And there's a cross at the top in here. Because
You see Papa God's picture? Yeah. It's a statue. Selena, we're here. Kasi sa sulod, no? Tapos may mga balay lang. Ayan, may mga bahay lang dyan, guys. We're here na. Si Manong Guard. Ayan, front office. We're here. And dito na tayo. Na-parking na. Di ko na na eh. Di ko lang park. Ay, nako. Kamusta? Mandaan sa likod? Okay ka lang da pa? Amo niya to, no?
Bali, ang next nga duplex, bali 1A, 1B na. Inyong 2A, 2B, 3A.
Oo. Okay. So, harap git-git lang.
Bali, walking distance lang sa restaurant. Pero pag gusto niyo magkanto sa lobby, may intercom para masukat yung mag-golf park.
Masugat. Okay. Sige. Asa mo ni?
Bali, direct pa lang ito sa 2A, 2B.
Ano lang? May... Nandito na tayo, guys, sa ating room. bata niya nakikita. Yeah, I'm vlogging. I'm showing the room.
Oh, come here, Ma.
Okay, come out now. Tingnan niyo yung bata. Excited pa siya sa akin. Wow!
I want to go swim in there.
Look!
Can I go swim in there?
Yeah, we need to eat lunch. Makaunta na yung lunch.
Pwede man naka-extend sa Papa mauna. Ay, makutunta sa nag-isli kung gusto nila mag-extend eh.
Ay, oo, makutat to.
Sige, total, kung mauna sa Papa, may salakyan man kita.
Ito lang yung room ni na Papa, tapos ni na Tita nandun. Ito yung amin. Ito yung aming view, guys. Oh, look. And then beach dun sa ano.
Ari ba yun?
Init sa gwa. Dito tani, oh, pwede mandara. So, ito yung papasok na galing dito sa balcony nila. So, we have a sofa, 2 queen bed, we have a vanity mirror, TV. Ito yung front door. Ay, may mirror pa pala dito na malaki. Whole body mirror. Whole body mirror. Thank you. And then, ito yung bathroom. Ayan. Ayan. Hello. Hello, people. Ayan. Mayroon din sink dito. Malaki siya, no? Ano to? Alright, guys. So, di pa kami naka-lunch. Magla-lunch kami very soon. Mainit sa labas. Maganda dito sa loob. Ganda yung aircon, ang lamig. But they are planning to stay here for another night. So, 1 night lang sana kami, which is tonight. They're planning to extend until tomorrow para 2 nights daw. Pero sina mama, uwi na sila tomorrow kasi may mga gagawin ata. May sasakyan na ayusin and everything. So, sina tita baka yeah, uuwi din sa Manila. And then yung pinsan ko, hindi ko alam kung mag-stay.
Paborito ko mag-iibag mo.
Punta tayo restaurant. And dito lang yung room.
Simple lang na.
And then dyan yung restaurant. Everyone's walking. Mia! No, dangerous. Dara na siya nabingaw. Sang muna niya. Namitas pa siya ng flower. Oh, mga tag na siya flower. Andun yung room natin sa gitna. Oh, hi. Thank you. Thank you for the flowers. Oh, thank you, baby. That's so sweet.
Put it down, Mommy.
Okay, let's eat na.
Wait, put it down. I'm getting a big one for you.
Oh, yeah, but we need to go now because it's very hot in here. But then we can swim after. Look. Yay! May I change to swimwear after and swim? Are you excited?
But I don't want to eat. I'm not.
Tanaw na si Mia. Mia's already there. Para pang bata, manami. Dala lang siya mag-swim mo. Sa Manabaw. Dala sila ni Shane, oh. Excited na siya mag-swimming. Ito yung table ata namin. Ilan to? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 30. No? Tama. Igo, Igo kita. Mia, come! Oh, we need to eat first. We can't go and swim now. No one's gonna look after you and no one's gonna play with you. So wait till we finish eating and then mommy will go swimming with you. You can't, baby. No one's gonna look after you. They don't allow.
I don't know why you're not after. I don't know why you're not look after me. I want to play.
No one's gonna look after you. Gusto yun na talaga mag-swimming. Ganda dito, oh. Tapos may pa-beach
I really
dun.
want to go and swim now.
Tingnan mo yun. Basang-basa na siya ng ano.
But I want to swim for 10 minutes.
Yeah, you can swim until later. So you have to wait lang. Come here.
Only when dinner swim.
Hello, Shane. Yan na guys, ang pa-shell. Hala, ito na siya. Huwag yung bili niya, chinelas. Ano tawag siniulit ng? Sikad. Sikad. Ayan. Painit-init pa. Sana siya, ando na siya, oh. Ayan. Yes. No, 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 no. You gotta fall. You gotta fall. Let's try this sikad. First time ko kumain ito. Sobra kita chair. Oh, sobra kita galito. Oh. Oh, shell. What's that?
Hindi ba siya pagkanon yun?
Ah, hindi na pagkanon?
Hindi matigas.
Ah, okay. Thank you. Hala, may sili. Diba? Try natin. Sausaw.
Lang.
Ay, matamis nun. Ah.
May sabor, di ba?
Lamit siya. Masarap. Masarap siya, guys. First time ko kumain nito. Ah, ako din. First time din. First time ko siya kainin. Very nice. Very, very nice.
Ba't hindi ka siya magwaya, please? Yawan ako yung butong niya.
Sabi, matry ta. Ay, wala man unod.
Miyara, nagkasusunod. Dito na yun.
Meron pa dyan sa chopstick. Ah, chopstick. Toothpick.
Wala na lang wala na siya. Ate Mia.
Wala gid saya unod. Wala oh.
Pakita hain ng may brown.
Wala siya.
Nabunggo yung ulo.
Ouchie, hala nabungo.
Wait na wait.
Ay! Nakuha ko siya.
Paano sa punta ka ito?
Dene.
Tag-isang nag-aalala. No more bubble. Hinay daw kayo na lang daw. Hindi ko na ula ang lang.
Sige, salay tayo.
Sabi niya ano. Kasi makuha niya. Ara na, ang iba na.
Parang katungko ka man daw. Amo ni ko na overcook.
Rap. Ginboard lang ni Nang. Ako na ikaw iya.
Eh, damo. Ako yung nakinahon niya. Wala akong pinggan, no?
Pero pa isaw ako talaga.
Bigyan na kami. Ako na lang pagwa.
Sarap?
Ay po, ikaon kaya.
Ano na ng
Ay, problema kaya sa kung nakakos niya anytime niya kung gusto na ako mag-request niya. Let's wait for the pasta. Let's wait for the pasta.
Kaon kaya Chris, oh.
Ari mo?
Kaon na.
Tama na ko gani yung lagi lang talaga. Pakadto pa lang tamo. Hindi na ako na pinanungdong.
Sarap? Kain din sila dun oh.
Okay ka na ga? Kasi ako likot man. Ilan taon lang sila. Oh. Wait. Oh.
Never let him get you down. Gonna make you stay just fine. 이대로 모자라지도 넘치지도 않아. Cause I got my collection.
Bake scallop. Ay, wala na din siyang kawali. Sutanghon. Ayan. May tinola pa, no?
Yes.
Ayan. Kain! Okay, we're back in the room. Rest muna tayo. Itong batang to, gusto niya na talaga mag-swimming. Pinainom ko na ng kanyang medicine.
Mommy, so I'm going to the change rooms.
Gusto niya ng fruity yogurt.
So, yes, go see Vivian outside there.
Baby Shane is resting na. Ito sa SNR, guys.
No, only go see Vivian.
She really likes it. No, we can't. Hala, that close.
And it's 5 minutes over. Told me to go now. Please? Please, Mommy, I really want you to talk to Daddy when you're resting in there in the chair.
You want me to sit in the chair?
Yeah.
Daddy can see you. Later pa.
Please, Mommy, please. I really want to take a swim. Please, Mommy.
Buang gid sa.
Please, I want to go now.
4:30, Tito Janjan said. Tito Janjan sleeping, oh.
Please.
But no one's gonna look after you. Mommy not gonna swim yet. Mommy's tired.
I just only want you to sit
I
on
wanna
the
rest.
chair. No, I just only want you to sit on the chair.
Are you sure you can do it by yourself with the floaty?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I don't need help. No, no, no.
Weh. Okay, get your floaty. We'll go to the swimming pool.
Yay.
I gotta do something.
Okay, bye.
And there?
The back, yeah. Put the back. Okay. The neck here at the back, the neck.
Oh, Daddy.
No more? Did you put everything na?
Yeah.
Thank you, Mia. Such a good girl, ate. Okay na? Okay. Are you ready? Just wait for a little bit.
You got the slow down.
Yeah. That's sleeping. So funny.
That was so funny. She said it again.
It's okay. Okay, let's put in our legs.
Slow down.
Mommy's legs.
I
Did
put
you
it in
work
yours.
properly in my back? Are you
Can
sure?
I can do some, Mommy.
Huh? Can you rub again my back? I feel like it's sticky. You didn't rub properly. Can you rub it? No, my back. Rub my back properly.
Let me get some from here.
Rub it. Make sure it's spread out properly.
Oh, Daddy.
Is it?
Okay.
Okay na? Are you sure it's okay? Wow. Post it. Wow, beautiful. Okay, come. Maswimming na siya, guys. Tara. Kaming dalawa lang. Pero hindi ako mag-swimming. Siya lang. Bantayan ko lang siya. May floaty naman siya. Nandito kami nag-lunch kanina. Anga Restaurant. Yeah, we'll see if there's a fish. Oh, there's one. Oh, a lot. Wow, that's a big koi's. You know what fish is that?
I don't know.
Koi's. Yeah, koi. Very nice. Ang laki-laki. Ang dami pa. Diyan lang yung room natin. Super harap lang ng pool. Okay, tara.
Mommy, is this a toy?
No, it's not a toy. Koi. Their name is koi.
Toy? I
Yeah.
don't like the letter, Mommy.
You don't like their name?
I want it to be Nemo.
Nemo. Oh, she wanted to be Nemo. May souvenir shop sila. Dito tayo daan.
Nemo.
We're gonna get a towel for you. Let's go get towel, ha? Dito na yung pool, tabi ng restaurant.
But I really like Nemo.
Sarap naman yung food nila kanina, guys.
I like
Nag-order kami sisig. Hindi ko na na-vlog yung sisig ata. Late na kasi dumating yung sisig nun. But yeah, it was a good meal. Wait lang, Mami, get you towel, okay? Nandito yung bathroom nila. Toilet. Shower. Pwede ka mag-shower dito. Ay, may pa-massage din, oh. Ayan. Ayan yung swimming pool rules. And ito yung mga activities nila. Wait lang for Mami. May kayak. Free yan, guys. Hala, 5 PM lang yung kayak. Mia, wait! Dart chess. May ping pong and badminton. Basketball, volleyball, paddle area. Nandun na siya, diba? Mia, mommy get you towel first. Itong batang to. Kukuha doon ng towel ata. Saan ba kukuha ng towel? Abot niya eh. Abot nito. Doon yung pang-adult ata. Wow! Ask natin si kuya. Come. Hala. Oh, the water. What happened?
To make it stay just fine, yeah, yeah.
It's alright, you have a floaty. We'll just float.
I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just wah 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 wah. Oh baby, say it and make it a day the brightest day. I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just wah 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 wah. Oh baby, it's alright to be right. 'Cause
Punta kami beach, guys. Doon kami sa dagat. Tulog pa kasi sina kuya. Para maglaro siya doon ng sand. Kaya lang wala siyang sand toys. This way, I think, Mia. I don't think you can go that way. There's a way. Over here. Come. Andun, guys, ang beach nila. They have a lot of free activities like badminton, volleyball. Kaya yung volleyball may time limit. Like 8 to 5 lang. Yung mga billiards, 8 to 9 p.m. Badminton, 8 to 5, mga ganun. So, di na namin magagawa yung kayak. Kasi 5 lang siya. Hanggang 5 lang. Ayan, oh. Ito yung parang ano nila. Volleyball and badminton. Okay, wait for mommy! Eh, may nagkakayak pa nga, oh. Nice. Kaya lang mababasa ako pag nagkayak kami ni Mia. Hindi, dara lang siya sa may sand. Man! Ay! Mia! Oo, hambalong ko lang sa. Thank you, Nong. Mia! Don't go in the water. There's a jellyfish. Oh, shell, yeah. May mga boats. Ayun, nagkakayak sila. Mia, don't go in the water. The kuya said there's a lot of jellyfish. Yeah, it's gonna sting you.
Why?
There's a lot of jellyfish. It's dirty man pala the water. We go to the swimming pool na lang. Yeah, the water's dirty. Abe, let me see. Yeah, dirty my love. Ito lang yung water nila. Di siya, white sand siya. Yeah, medyo white sand. So, ayan yung ano, view. So, ayan yung resort. Diyan. Nagbabantay din pala na guard. Oy, wear it. Okay, come back to the swimming pool. It's nice there. Yeah, ew. Wash your feet first. Wash your feet. Wash your feet in the water. Don't leave it, ha? It's gonna ano. Okay, that's it.
Wash in the pool.
No, we can't wash in the pool. They're gonna be mad. Can you wash again? Other one? Hold properly, ha? Oh, that's it. That's it. That's it. Don't go closer. Don't go closer. Come. Dali, jellyfish is coming. Back to the pool na lang. Okay, come. Oh, there's a duyan.
Fair.
Ah,
That's not fair.
that's not fair. There's a duyan too. May duyan. May duyan-duyan sila. Oh, you wanna sit down in the duyan and take picture? Alright, that's it. Good job. Ang dami kasing sand. Oh, dali. Back. Hey, careful, you don't run here. It's wet. Can you get your slippers first, Mia? Mia, your slippers over there, oh. Wow. Yeah, I'll sit in there. Lipat-lipat si Mia, guys. Dun siya, tapos dito, tapos nag-jump siya dito, tapos dyan na naman, tapos bumalik na naman siya dun. Saan na siya? Nakatago siya dyan, oh. Kakababa niya lang. Napalitan naman ako ng chair. Dito na naman ako. Nandito na si Shayna. Cute. Si Mia talaga, oh. Sina kuya ando, nakikita ko sa balcony. Ayun sila, oh. Nagbi-merienda. Ayan. Tada! Nakikita niyo sila. Oh, there she is. Cute. Stay here with Shane. Stay here with Shane. Ay, doon talaga siya. Ano si Shane? Okay. Go back here. Hello, people. We're back in the room. Si Mia nag-swimming pa doon kasama si Kuya. Nagbihis lang tayo ng pag-swimming gabi na, guys. Madilim na sa labas. Ayan, gabi na, guys. Namidilim na. Andun pa din si Mia. 4:30 siya doon nag-start. 6 na. Mabilis lang naman tayo. Ahon tayo para mag-dinner later. Dito yung room ni na Mama. Kita nyo na to kanina. Yun, tulog pa si Papa daw. And then yung kay Tita tsaka sa pinsan ko nandun. So makatabi lang kami.
Never let him get you down. Gonna make you stay just fine. 이대로 모자라지도 넘치지도 않아. Cause I got my collection.
We're here waiting for our order. We have our mango shake here. Sina Papa hindi kakain, sina Tita din daw kakain kasi busog pa sila, guys. Alam niyo ba yung lunch namin? Mga 2 na kami nag-start. Tapos parang 3:30 natapos. Si Mia dito lang. Pagod din tong batang to. Kaka-swimming. So, may naka-reserve na table sa lahat. Pero, kami lang yung kakain. Tsaka yung pinsan ko and yung wife niya. Ha? Sino? Nandito na yung food. We have sisig. Lugay-lugay. Ay, wala. Nagkalalaglag na. Calamaris and chicken in a salt. And sisig. Hello people! Tapos na kami mag-dinner. Back to the room. Ready to bed na kami, guys. Pero try ko mag-edit ng vlog. Ay, nag-enjoy itong batang to sa swimming talaga. As in. Ang tagal niya dun sa tubig kanina. Kumain din sa dinner. Ano lang yung kinain niya? Spring roll. Ang dami niyang kinaing spring roll. Mag-check out na kami tomorrow. So, we decided not to extend na lang. So, kasi ilang days na lang kami dito sa Pinas. So, ayun, may mga gagawin pa ako back there in our province. May mga i-meet up pa akong friends and everything before we leave. Ayun, guys, thank you for watching our vlog. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed our vlog today. And if you did, just give it a thumbs up. Subscribe in our channel if you haven't yet. And also don't forget to click the notification bell below if you guys want to be notified when we upload more videos. And if you want to share, click the right there. Bye guys. Good night.